Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute fridge magnet for Father's Day, where I will show you how to make this super cute Superman along with the quilling letters my dad my hero, and this is the fridge magnet, so you can just stick this to fridge or any metal almirah, and according to your favorite character you can make as many magnets as you want. So let's get started. First I'm starting with making the Superman, and for the face I am taking here 3 strips of 3mm in peach color and making one tight coil dome. Add glue inside the dome, and similarly I have prepared one more dome using black color 3 strips of 3mm, and this is also a dome. So just adding glue inside both the shapes and connecting with each other, and the face is ready. Then to create body, here I have prepared this tight coil using 3 strips of medium blue color in 3mm, just making a cone shape like this. Height of the cone should be 1.8 centimeters according to the my design. And again I have created this tight coil using 3 strips of 3mm in red color, just making simple dome shape. Add glue inside both the shapes and connect with each other. So the body is ready. Then to make hands, here I am taking half strip of medium blue color in 3mm and making one tight coil. And to make the palm, I am taking half strip of peach color in 3mm and making one tight coil. And using blue tight coil, I am making the cone shape. Then using this peach tight coil, I am just creating the dome, adding glue inside the both shapes and connecting with each other. So hand is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more hand. And this is done. To make leg, I have prepared this cone using half strip of medium blue color, and to make boot I am taking 1/4 strip of red color, making one tight coil. Then taking half strip of red color in 3mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Connecting the teardrop and tight coil with each other, and then on top of this I am adding blue color cone. So the leg is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more already. Then taking back the body, sticking the face with this. Then taking the legs which are dried and just trimming it diagonally from top like this, so that we can stick it with the body easily. Similarly, I have cut the other one already. Then sticking both the hands and legs. and the basic shape of Superman is ready. Also, I have attached some black color hairs like this. Then I am adding the belt. For ears, I have prepared these teardrop shapes which are made using 1/8 strip of 1 mm in peach color, adding 2 small black color circles as eyes. Then attaching Superman tag which I have created on yellow color paper. Like this. And then I have just added the mouth using red color triangle and peach color triangle for nose and created some more hairs using black marker. So this is done. Now I'm taking one red color 5 mm small piece of strip and just joining some strips together like this. Here I am making the cape for Superman. So this is done, just trimming the top portion little bit to make it in nice finished and just checking the length. So trimming from bottom little bit and sticking it on back side of Superman. Just wiping out any excess glue marks immediately using wet brush. And the super cute Superman using quilling strip is ready. Now here I am taking 8 cm diameter cardboard circle and just wrapping it using yellow color paper. Then attaching one more yellow circle on another side. Here I am making the base for magnet. So the base is ready. Then taking golden yellow 3 mm strip and just wrapping it around the base circle and just making little smaller size than the base and start wrapping some more strip around this. So in short, here I am making one ring which I am going to add on top of the base, and in total I am joining 10 strips to create the ring to give nice finishing to the magnet. You can also attach half cut pearls around the edge if you don't want to add the ring. And the ring is ready. Now I am just wrapping one red color strip around this ring just to give little design on this. and the ring is completely ready. Now I'm sticking this ring on top of the base. Like this. Then here I'm taking 1/8 strip of red color in 3mm and just making a tight coil. I'm starting with making the alphabets. So I am making here A alphabet for word dad. Just joining total 8 coils to make this alphabet. So A is ready. Similarly, I have prepared 2 D's to create the word dad and also HERO for the word hero. Super easy. All are created using same size coils. Now taking back the base and I am writing my for 2 times using black marker, which will create the sentence my dad my hero, and then on left side I am sticking the Superman, and then after that I'll add the words dad and hero between 2 my's. So just taking a little bit of glue on my palm using tweezer, just adding glue behind each alphabet. This is the easiest method to add glue behind the intricate things. And this is done. Now at the end I am sticking one strong magnet on back side, allow it to dry. And for the finishing touch I am attaching one nice cute bow on top. And the super gorgeous and super cute Superman magnet for Father's Day is ready. In this way you can make any of your favorite character on the magnet. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.